In the previous video, we discussed terminology. In this video, we will focus on Remco Industries Power RV Rebel freshwater pumps. Power RV series pumps offer the best freshwater pumps in the industry. They deliver a new level of performance for your recreational vehicle. The Rebel pumps are made in America, and every pump is factory tested to ensure they meet all the designs and manufactured specifications. The Rebel series was designed to withstand the most rigorous and punishing duty cycles. The target customer is an RV owner who wishes to upgrade their freshwater pumps to get the best performance from a pump without pump hammering or cycling. To be able to help your customer find what RV pump is right for them, you will need to ask them a few questions. Start by asking them what size water pump is in their RV. What is the gallons per minute, the PSI, and the voltage? You will need this information to be sure the Rebel will meet or exceed what they already have. Are they looking for a replacement pump or an upgrade for better performance? Rebel will replace any OEM pump offering better performance, operating one faucet, multiple faucets, or the shower at the same time. Is noise an issue with the existing pump or a concern the customer has? Rebel is one of the quietest running pumps in its class compared to other pumps in the RV market. Remco Industries Power RV Rebel freshwater pumps come in 3 pump sizes: 3 gallon per minute, 60 psi, 4 gallon per minute, 60 psi, and 5.3 gallon per minute, 60 psi. These pumps are available in 12 volt DC or 115 volt AC configurations. They come standard with quick attach inlet outlet ports with 2 3/4 inch male quick attach by 1/2 inch male NPT fittings for easy pump installation. Flow IQ controls include a demand switch as well as a bypass. These are matched to give the best flow capabilities without the pump hammering or cycling. The high flow 5 pumping chamber design allows for superior priming capabilities, which gives a smoother flow output and less pulsation. The Rebel series pumps can run dry without damage and have up to 14 feet vertical lift. No accumulator tank is required with Rebel pumps as they are certified with CE and CSA. Once the customer has selected the right Rebel pump for them, the sale doesn't stop here. Remco recommends inlet strainer filters for Rebel pumps, and there are 2 great options. The first is Remco filter strainer, 3/4 inch female quick attach by 3/4 male quick attach. The second option is Remco filter strainer, 3/4 inch quick attach by 1/2 inch hose barb. Remco stands behind our products, and the Rebel series pumps have a 1-year limited warranty with proof of purchase. As a Remco employee, I am here to educate you on the RV products to increase your customer satisfaction. Satisfied customers lead to increased sales and the opportunity for both of our respective businesses to grow. Be sure to visit our website, www.remcoindustries.com, for more information and all of our latest products, or contact us directly using sales@remcoindustries.com.